Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. It's a little windy on the back patio today, but hey, we're going to be doing a little bit of baking. Today we're going to be making Malcolm Reed's Thick Girl brownies, minus the bacon, because I forgot to lay the bacon out this morning and it's still frozen. So we're going to do everything but the bacon. However, we are going to do some baking, and we're going to cook it on my Oklahoma Joe pellet grill, which I like to call the Easy Bake Smoker. But anyway, we're going to put a little cookie dough down, we're going to put some Oreos down, and then we're going to put some dark chocolate fudge brownie mix on top of that. So, I'm not very good at baking or reading directions, so hope this goes well. Okay, there she is, Thick Girl brownies. We're cut into it, see what it tastes like. I did get a little bit more burnt on this backside. I'm not sure why. Maybe I should have turned it or something, but anyway, looks pretty good. Let's give her a taste. Got a little burn on the bottom too. A little burn on the bottom. Other than that, don't look too bad, huh? Not too bad. We're going. Well, folks, that is it for me today. I don't know. I may have to do something different if I do it again, because it did get a little dark on the bottom, a little more burnt on the bottom. I'm not a baker, so maybe I need to do something different. But anyway, it tasted good, so I hope my wife likes it, because she likes that stuff more than I do. I'm not a big sweets fan, but I want to try my hand at some bacon. So anyway, we will see you guys next time. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram at NewbieQ2020. Also, don't forget to hit the subscribe and the bell so you can stay up to date with everything we're doing. Also, I'm on TikTok now at NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. And we'll see you guys next time on another episode of NewbieQ Backyard Barbecue and Grilling. Peace out.